Cookies are files present on a hard drive that stores info related to a session on a browser, mainly in a form of text documents. This would hold info such as usernames and passwords, server settings, and surfing habits of users. This information would be used by websites to help understand their visitor better and will be interacted with based on their surfing history.
There are many advantages and drawbacks to using cookies, and understanding them will help use it in the right way.
First advantage is they are extremely user-friendly and they can choose what they need to do with cookies. Every browser gives options to clear them and they can easily find their text files stored in the hard drive. Second advantage is they are made available for a longer period of time and will be available to them as long as they delete them manually, even with any server issues. Third advantage is their convenience, as they remember info related to forms, which helps fill in most info with a simple click like names and addresses, but will not do the same for confidential like card information. Fourth advantage is with marketing, as most companies use cookies to target products to their customers. This would be the likes of geolocations, search term keywords, and are used for their marketing campaigns. Fifth advantage is through configurations that would be required by the user and would often expire once the user closes the browser tab or is set for a specific length of time. The last advantage is from server requirements, as all data related to cookies is stored on the drive without needing server resources, which reduces any extra weight added to the server and makes it easier to make it implement. As for disadvantages, the first is from browser impact, as cookies are not restricted on internet usage, as when users surf the web, more and more cookies are added, and if not deleted will make the browser slow down heavily. Second disadvantage is from security risks, as while it's stored as text files, it's prone to some serious security risks, as anyone can easily open and access the info stored on the files. Third disadvantage is size limitations, as they can't store large amounts of info and only store up to 4 kilobits, and most browsers would allow up to 20 cookies for a single website. Fourth disadvantage is privacy concerns, as apart from security, privacy is another concern, as those enabled sites would record all online activities and most users would be unaware of it being stored and accessed by any third parties. Fifth disadvantage is manual disabling, as most websites come options to disable cookies and would be used by those that are highly security conscious, which in turn may not make applications work without cookies. The last disadvantage is from using encoding information, as encrypting and decrypting cookies is a difficult process that requires additional coding, and due to how long it takes, the application performance would be greatly affected. By understanding the advantages and disadvantages of cookie usage, it'll broaden the info of the user and learn how to stay safe online.